അടുത്ത 50 സെറ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ്. സ്ലോപ്പ് ഫോർ സെൽഫ് ക്ലീനിങ് വെലോസിറ്റി ഫോർ 150 mm ഡ്രെയിൻ പൈപ്പ് 0.0833. അപ്പം അത് 80ക്ക് 1 എന്നാണ്, 80 മീറ്ററിൽ 1 എന്നാണ് പറയുക, 80:1. നോസിൽ സൈസ് ഫോർ കട്ടിംഗ് 50 mm MS പ്ലേറ്റ് 1.2 mm. How much clearance from wall must be kept while laying GI pipe internally? 1.5 cm. Manhole has a standard depth less than 1.5 meter. What is the working pressure usually made on joints for pressure test? 10 kg per centimeter square. How much gap is allowed from the end of pipe after 50-degree chamfering in ring seal joint? 10 mm. What is the desirable temperature of potable water? 10 degree Celsius. What is the size of ventilation pipe provided in a septic tank? 100 mm. How much is distance between fire hydrant provided along the road? 100 to 130 meters. What is the minimum standard size of gully trap? 100 into 100. Brick frog size 100 into 40 into 10, 20 centimeter thick. Melting point of bronze 1005 degree. Union joint must be at a very 100 meter. What is the minimum compressive strength of first class brick? 105 kg per centimeter square. To get the least count of 5 minutes in vernier bevel protractor, the 23-degree main scale is divided into 12 equal parts on vernier scale. What is the pressure range between the oxygen cylinder? 120 to 150 kg per centimeter square. Minimum distance top of water closet and under surface of high level flushing cistern 125 centimeter. What is the maximum temperature of PVC pipe to withstand heat? 140 degree Fahrenheit. Include angle of scriber 15 degree. What is the pressure range between the dissolved acetylene gas cylinder? 15 to 60 kg per centimeter square. Pipe range 50 to 50 mm. Pipe range. What is the maximum suction depth of an airlift pump? 150 meter. What is the length of pipe projection required from the vise while threading GI pipe? 150 to 250 mm. Minimum distance between hot and cold water rises 150 mm. What is the height above the ground level in water storage pump? 15 centimeter. Minimum distance between water source and septic tank 15 meter. Minimum distance between well and septic tank 15 meter. What is the minimum size of water tap? 15 mm. ഇപ്പോൾ 15 വരുന്ന സാധനങ്ങളാണ് 4 ഇവിടെ. What is the maximum temperature of CPVC pipes can withstand heat? 190 degree. നോർമൽ പൈപ്പിൻ്റെ കേസ് നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞു 140 degree Fahrenheit. CPVC 190 degree Fahrenheit. What is the recharge pit depth made for small building of roof area 100 to 150 square meter for a rainwater harvesting system? 2 to 3 meter. സെയിം ഇതിനാണ് പൈപ്പ് പറഞ്ഞത് 65 mm. ടൈപ്പ് ഓഫ് ഫ്ലഷ് സിസ്റ്റം ബേസ്ഡ് ഓൺ ഓപ്പറേഷൻ 2 types. What is the diameter of filler rod used to weld 2.5 mm thick mild steel by leftward technique? 2 mm. What is the root gap provided in pipe of wall thickness 3 mm for leftward welding technique? 2.5 to 3 mm. How much internal pressure can withstand in a brass pillar tap? 20 kg per centimeter square. What is the test pressure for P1 class hummed pipe? 20 meter head. What is the largest diameter of pipe that can be held chain pipe wise? 200 mm. What is the temperature range of heating tools used in plastic welding process? 200 to 370 degree. Chain pipe wise capacity 200 mm. What is the maximum diameter that can be bent in radius collar joint? 20 mm. Pressure test can started in a solvent welder PVC pipe after 24 hours. What is the weight of hammer used for marking purposes? 250 gram. Ball peen hammer. What's the standard length of hacksaw blade? 250 to 300. What is the diameter of the fire hose nozzle? 28 mm. 28 mm. Diameter of AC pipe 5 cm to 100 cm. What is sieve size of standard sand used for filling pipes for hot bending? 2 mm. 2 mm. What OPC available in how many grade? 33, 43 and 53. Portland cement. What is minimum depth of deposit of sand and porous materials above the river bed to get filtered water? 3 meter. Hottest point in oxyacetylene flame? 3000 to 3200 degrees Celsius. What is the diameter of waste pipe in a wash basin? 32 mm. ഇത്രയാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഉൾക്കൊള്ളിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ബാക്കി വീഡിയോകൾക്കായി വീഡിയോ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക.